Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Debbie Quick. Tonight I'm heading out to my campground's annual potluck, and I thought I would make some Hawaiian ham and Swiss sliders. It looks simple to make and hopefully they'll taste just as good as they look. I first started by preheating my oven on 350 degrees, but when I turned it on I realized I ran out of propane this morning, and so I had to quickly go outside and disconnect the container and put the grill propane on. So I'm all set now. So this is going to be the topping for our sliders. I melted roughly 3/4 of a cup of butter. Now I'm going to add some Dijon mustard, roughly a tablespoon. And then I'm going to add roughly a tablespoon of poppy seeds. And I'll leave that in there because I'll use that to stir. I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And everything is roughly. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of minced onion, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm probably saying that the wrong way, but it's all good. And I will go ahead and mix that together. While my butter was melting, I also got my Hawaiian rolls prepped. And what I did here was I cut them in half and I removed the tops. And I coated the bottom of my pan here with some cooking oil spray, some olive oil cooking oil spray. And so now that I have the bottoms on here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to cover this all really well with some ham. And I'll probably use a couple of layers so that it's not stingy. I added 4 layers of the ham, and what I did was I alternated the direction. So 2 of the layers are going this way and the other 2 layers are going the other way. So horizontal and vertical. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a nice layer of Swiss cheese. And I did have them at the deli slice my ham and my cheese thin. So I'll go ahead, I'll finish this up. I added 1 layer of cheese, but I think I'm just going to add a little bit more. I don't want to be too stingy with the cheese. Okay, so that's perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab the tops and I'm going to put the tops on top of this. Now that my tops are on, it's time to coat them with this butter mixture that I made. And I have plenty, so I should have enough here for everything. You could either dump it on or just kind of evenly spread it like I'm doing. I'm trying to just evenly spread it and make sure they're coated really well. Get inside those cracks. And then continue that for the whole batch here. Now that my rolls are nicely coated, I'm going to go ahead and stick this in my oven for roughly 20 minutes. Now that my Hawaiian ham and Swiss sliders are done, I'm going to go ahead and cut them up, and then I'm going to cover them, and I'm going to grab these nifty little tongs for people to serve themselves with, and off I go. Have a great night, everyone.